welcome back and happy Thursday to One Hot Bite. Melissa here. We are making a simple, delicious, delectable dish that most people don't tackle because they think it's too hard. So we're making simple crab cakes. They're super flaky. There's not a lot of ingredients. We're coming in at just under 300 calories today for these. I usually pair them with a butter leaf salad with a buttermilk dressing and yada yada. But anyhow, we're just gonna focus on the crab cakes today and we are going to make them super simple. I've had crab cakes before where they put everything but the kitchen sink inside, and I think it takes away from the crab. We're gonna showcase the crab today. Without further ado, let's get cooking. The simple ingredients we're gonna start with, we have our crab, but the most important ones I think really make this super special is fresh herbs. So chives out of the garden, fresh parsley from the garden. So we're gonna start with the fresh herbs because I really think that really brings out the freshness of this dish. So let's get chopping. Those of you that have been around for a while kind of are probably starting to get an idea of my philosophy. My philosophy is I love going out and enjoying amazing meals and traveling the world and tasting yummy food. But then my favorite thing to do is I like to come home. I like to recreate that meal at home and be able to say I did it, A, and B, I can have it anytime I want once I've created it myself. So if you like to do that same thing, why don't you go ahead and subscribe down below. We have crazy, awesome, easy, some difficult, some time consuming, some very quick meals coming at you twice a week now. So every Monday and every Thursday, I will see you. The recipe is for 4 people, 2 cakes per serving, and you can accompany it with a great salad. Okay, so we've chopped all of our herbs, grated up or zested our lemon, and we have all of our crab meat here. I just do canned crab. You can definitely buy crab legs, crack your own. Not in this economy. No, I'm just kidding. But really, this was just super quick and super easy for me. So I have all my crab meat in here. We're gonna add all of our ingredients. You'll see all that go in. And then we're just gonna pan fry these up. This goes super fast. Okay, so our mix is all done. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes just to chill it a little bit. It'll make it easier to make them into patties. Meanwhile, we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of butter and about 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and we're gonna warm it up over medium heat in a pan. And so let's get that going. Okay, with wet hands, we're gonna make our cakes. Okay, let's assemble these beautiful cakes. So I just have a butter leaf lettuce with a little bit of radicchio, and just assemble that around your plate. Now, like I said, I can make a buttermilk dressing. You could use any kind of dressing that you like to go over the top of this. I picked something creamy, kind of herby to go with these. So anyhow, we have just our lettuce. Let's grab 2 beautiful cakes. Here's one. And again, these are so delicious. They can be served warm or cold. And a little garnish on top to make it beautiful. And like I say, this is the point where you could go ahead and garnish with a dressing. And there you have it, in no time at all, another hot bite from One Hot Bite. So let's give this a taste. Oh, see, the crab was so buttery, so creamy. I'm gonna another bite. It's perfect. Just crab is what you're looking for in this. Butter and crab. No other crazy stuff. Fresh herbs. Anyhow, salut. You guys have a wonderful day.